Have you been thinking about becoming a Norwex consultant and just been curious, like what comes in the starter kit? What does it look like to get started? Then you are in the right place. First of all, we are going to be super duper excited if you decide to jump in and help share these incredible products with the world alongside of us. We have so much work to do. These products change lives. Like they are ridiculously awesome. And they're only in about 4% of homes, which means 96% of homes don't have the products yet, which means we would love your help. Okay, so let's get started. Norwex just updated their consultant starter kit. And so I am going to walk you through what you get in your new Norwegian Way starter consultant kit. Okay, and it is huge value. All right, so I'm going to take you through this. And first of all, look at this cute box. I'm just now opening it. Let's see what comes in here. All right. First of all, Norwex wants to help you get off to a great start in your business. And they really, truly just do everything to help that happen. So the starter kit is where it all begins, right? In your starter kit, you're going to get an everything cloth. Of course, this is your Enviro cloth. This is the one cloth that can clean virtually every surface in your home with just water. Mind blowing. If you have not used this cloth yet, oh my goodness, get your hands on it ASAP. Next up is the window cloth. Now, this is in honor of our Norwegian heritage. It is the mountains of Norway. That's a nod to the mountains of Norway. This is your window cloth. And of course, this is the very best friend of the Enviro cloth. And then, of course, the dusting mitt that you can use, just this mitt, no dusting sprays, none of those disposable dusters, no old socks or t-shirts. Literally, this one mitt it's statically charged to suck up the dust like a little mini vacuum. So you're going to be blown away by that. Now, most of our house, we can literally clean with those products. However, sometimes you just need a little extra oomph on your cleaning. And so I'm going to walk you through the newer additions to the starter kit. All right. So we have the bathroom cleaner because let's face it, toilets aren't all of our favorite things to clean, but most of us do love a clean toilet. And so this is actually made for the entire bathroom. Your shower door, it has descaling properties in case you have hard water in your area or well water like we do. Septic safe, of course. Now, this one, it comes with 3 packs and then a forever spray bottle for you to dilute that in. I like to just label it so I know it's the bathroom cleaner. Okay, there's 3 packets, that's 3 bottles to do that. And then we have our multi-purpose everyday cleaner. This is brilliant. It uses probiotics and enzymes to continue working even after you first sprayed it on. So it is made to use with our microfiber and you want to dilute it. So this is a concentrate. And again, you're going to get another forever spray bottle just to put your everyday cleaner in it. And it works for around 7 days after it's been sprayed on the surface. Those probiotics, the good biotics, the good enzymes continue working. It is great throughout the house, especially in your kitchen. If you're just like, I want something to spray on, it's a great place to start. And speaking of the kitchen, most families have a dishwasher. Many families do anyway. And this is our dishwasher detergent. I have tried so many dishwasher detergents and I tried to find natural ones. The problem was none of them seemed to work. And this one is incredible. Now, it's great for dishwashers. If you ask your consultant, likely they have some other uses that they also love this for. Like these are just consultant hacks. They're not label uses, but I've found this does a number on a slow drain. And it is, again, just those enzymes working. So we kind of have a joke about, the 25 uses for the dishwasher Ultrazyme, but that comes in your starter kit, as well as one of my absolute favorite products. This is for your soft surfaces. This is your mattress cleaner. So again, taking that biotics and enzyme technology that Norwex is amazing with to replace all of those harmful toxic chemicals, using the power of enzymes. This you can spray on your pet beds, on your pillows, on your mattresses, on upholstery. And it is like, I like to think of it like little Pac-Man that go eat up all of the biological matter that just, dead skin cells and sweat and just all the things. So that also comes in your consultant starter kit. Then we want to look at the laundry room, right? So in the laundry room, you need to use healthier, safer products because I think when it comes to general overall health, the laundry room is actually maybe one of the most important places to start because literally we wear whatever chemicals are in our laundry soap, they tend to get lodged in the fiber of our clothing and then soaked into our skin. So you want a very healthy EWG verified laundry detergent that works. Nobody wants to be washing clothes and then they're not coming out clean. This again has the enzyme technology, and I find it's amazing for getting odors out of clothing. I just did a trade show and one of the ladies there came up. I had given her a sample at another one of my shows, and she came up and she said, "Okay, I told you about my husband's synthetic golf shirts that we just couldn't get the stink out of. You gave me the sample." She said, "I washed all his shirts and they smell amazing." So I really think that this Powerzyme laundry detergent is not only great for taking care of your Norwex claws, but it is just going to take care of all of your family's clothing and be so much healthier. And then, of course, to avoid needing the fabric softener and the dryer sheets and the beads and all that stuff, you're going to want a good set of dryer balls. And these are New Zealand wool. So that is our laundry room. And then also for the kitchen in the kit, you're not even going to believe this. This is so generous. You get the counter cloth house set for your kitchen, and these are going to be your paper towel replacements. So that's pretty huge, and wiping down your counters and things like that. So this is what you can look forward to in getting your consultant starter kit, but the best is yet to come. Let me share this with you. So the way this kit works is when you connect with your consultant, you're going to want to get your consultant's joining link, and then you sign up. If you choose this kit, you pay just the shipping upfront. So I think it's less than $10 in shipping. Norwex sends that to you and they give you 45 days to earn it completely free. So what that looks like is when you sell 1,500 in retail sales, and that does include what you purchase too, by the way. So if you sign up and you decide to do a kit builder, which I highly recommend because the kit builder does have in it one of my absolute favorite products, probably my favorite cleaning product. I love this so much. The mop system is in the kit builder, and at the time of sign up, you can choose that. That also counts towards your 1,500 in sales, which is super cool. So when you submit at least 1,500 in personal retail sales in your first 45 days, you don't ever pay a dime more for that kit, just that shipping. That's it. And should you happen to not meet that goal, then your card on day 46 will be charged for the $250 for the kit. Of course, as you can see, if you do the math, it's worth over that, right? So this is the consultant starter kit. And then when you get started, you also get to start earning your Bright Start steps along the way, because who doesn't love happy mail from Norwex as we meet our goals? And so if you are thinking like, oh my word, I need all these products in my home, I know my friends and family need to know about it, and maybe you're looking again to earn added income, whether you want to make an extra 200 a month or an extra 1,000 a month, that's up to you. And basically the way it works is, as consultants, we earn 35% on our personal retail sales. So like my average in-home party sales is around $1,000, which means when I go out for about 2.5 hours, I do my parties in, then I earn on average about $350 from that party. And then my host earns the host rewards, which are 100% company funded, which is amazing. If you're looking for a business, that is just one of the biggest perks that Norwex offers. And it's honestly kind of unique to find a company that rewards your host. So again, if your host has $1,000 party with at least one person who also is going to host a party, then she or he are going to get $250 in host reward cash that they can spend. Not, it's like host rewards, I'll just say, host rewards. And then they get to choose what they want to spend that on. Plus, oftentimes Norwex does a bonus gift for the host on top of the host rewards spending. So it's awesome. It makes our business even better. We have phenomenal products to share. We get a phenomenal host plan funded by the company and get to be part of a mission that truly changes lives. So if you're interested, again, if you are working with another consultant, please be sure to connect with them, get their sign up link, and they'll be able to help you with all those questions and help you get off to a great start. Thanks so much for watching. We hope we get to welcome you to the Norwex mission and to the Norwex family.